Peace, YouTube boys, L23 coming at y'all with another video, man. Y'all already know how we gotta run it, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, man. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into it. This video is gonna be about how to grow your own food. So regardless, I'm making this video for those who like, I don't have land, blah, blah, blah. I can't grow food. So look, no excuses whatsoever. So I'm gonna show you how to grow your own kale and your own lettuce, all right? And it's actually very simple. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, family, so we got the 100% organic lettuce right here. And then we have the red Russian kale and the dinosaur kale. And the thing is that in Georgia, it is chilled right now. It is not warm. It is not the summer. So greens are perfect for the winter, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and get something popping because it's not even so much about the seeds, it's much more about the soil. As long as the plant has strong soil, you can put any seed in the soil and that thing will do its thing, all right? So I'm going to mix the mushroom compost with some Nature's Care organic garden soil. All right, family, so we got both the mushroom compost and the garden soil mixed up, all right? So the next step, I'm gonna actually put this mixture inside of the pot, but I'm gonna put just a little bit, and then on top of that mixture, I'm gonna put some fruit scraps from the kitchen, like leftover tomatoes or banana peels, orange peels, you know, things from the kitchen. Make sure that you store them, put them in like a grocery bag or something and leave it in your freezer. I'm telling you, those are really good nutrients. When it rains, that's gonna help it decompose even within this pot, and that's gonna supply the root systems of the kale and the lettuce with even more nutrients. So nutrients on nutrients, I'm telling you, if you strengthen the soil, no matter what you put in that soil, it will grow. With the right amount of water and sunlight, it will grow. All right, family, so that's what we got going. Got some banana peels, tomatoes, lemons. I make soursop leaf tea, so you see some soursop leaves in there too. Maybe some garlic, you know, things like that, you know. So I put that in there. It's going to break down even more, and I'm going to put some more of this mixture inside of here on top, and then we're going to lace it up with the seeds. Boom. All right, family, so that was pretty much the chemistry part right there. We got the soil going. We got everything mixed up together, right? So now we just got to lace it up, man. We just got to put the cherry on top. You sight? So we got the kale, we got the lettuce right there. And then also, don't forget, I have these world flag bracelets on my website, www.mynaturalroots.org. Link is in description. Jamaica, Ethiopia, Japan, Angola, Congo. But yeah, man, like, go check me out. You know what I mean? I got them in Ghana, West Africa, July 2019, man. So check me out. So, all right, so look, we're going to go ahead and get this going. This camera, it maybe took me 20 minutes really to do all of this. So there's no excuses, man. Now just have patience, you know, because new life is going to come from this, and then you can put that life inside of your life, you know, inside of your human experience, inside of your body. So yes, family, earth foods, eating earth foods is a must. It's our natural food that we should be eating. It's not like, oh, like you eat so healthy and blah blah blah. No, like mangoes, apples, sour sops, limes, lemons, all these different foods, they're given to you by nature. This is natural food. So before McDonald's, before Burger King, before all these grocery stores and everything, it was just nature. It's the natural food you should be eating. It's not you're eating healthy, you're eating naturally. This is how you're supposed to be eating, all right? So let's shake that mindset. This is how you're naturally supposed to eat. This is what the cells within your body recognize most, all right? Your earth foods for your melanated body, all right? All right, family. So in order for seeds to germinate, in order for them to start sprouting, the seeds have to be at a certain temperature. So where I'm at in Georgia right now, it is really chilly. I'm in Georgia. It is chilly right now at this time. So it will take forever and a day for them to germinate if I left them out here. So I keep the inside of my house 75, 80 degrees. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to take these inside, take care of them, help them sprout. Make sure you keep watering them, because water and heat makes them pop and makes them crack. You see what I'm saying? So you want to make them crack, make them sprout, and then once they get to a certain stage, like a baby kale or like a baby lettuce, and then I can transfer them outside and make sure I keep up with the sunlight and water them, all right? So as simple as that, man. This is how you grow your food, man. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to go to the website, www.mynaturalroots.org, man. My YouTube channel, which is all about holistic things, everything natural, everything organic, everything just history, you know what I mean? Everything Africa, you see what I'm saying? And just teaching the people one video at a time, man. And I appreciate you all's comments, man. Don't forget to like this video if this helped you. If you're beginning any kind of, like, I don't know, indoor garden, or you're doing a little vibe like how I'm doing it myself, yo, drop a comment below. Let's reason, you know, let's exchange information. And thank you so much for watching, man. I really, really appreciate y'all, man. Y'all like know how we gotta run it, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. One perfect love. I love y'all, man. Stay up, full, stay happy, man. Take care of your health. Take care of your health so that your experience on the earth will be that much greater, man. Your health is everything, all right? So protect your energy, protect your health by what you eat, you see what I'm saying? And by what energy you take in from outside of yourself. This is crucial. Take care of yourself. All right, family, so look, eat your earth foods, heal yourself. I love y'all, all right? Thanks for watching. Peace.